What's going on, everyone? This is Neil Henderson here from Clearview Plastics in Sacramento, California. And today I want to just give you a quick walkthrough on our new exhaust articulating arm that can be used for a variety of things where you need to exhaust out fumes. This is commonly used for our purposes in laser engraving, but it can also be used in solder stations and just other places where you need to get kind of an exhaust or a vacuum going to suck up smoke, fumes, and other things. So basically the idea of this is it's an articulating arm that's segmented into a few different pieces. The overall length is about 23 inches, and this basically attaches onto a foot. It's the size for a 4-inch exhaust. So this bracket down here, it fits onto a 4-inch exhaust hose if you would ever need that as well. But it's got 105 millimeter hole spacing on there, which is common to a 120 millimeter fan as well. And so when you use this, the cool thing about it is these articulating sections make it so that you can do a little bit of an S bend, a U bend, and you can kind of just work your way around to get down to your workpiece to ensure that you are efficiently pulling air out nice and close to your workpiece, and it stays in place is the key here. So check this out. I'm just going to show you how it articulates, and you'll see it in action. So one cool thing about this piece that I wanted to add in is that we use a little bit of what we call gasketing tape on the edges here. And so that actually makes it so that each segment is a little bit better sealed so that it ensures that you're getting good like vacuum efficiency, so that there's no leaks between each segment. And it also helps it as a dampening material so that when you move each of the segments, you saw that it actually takes a little bit of work to move one of these segments. What we do want to do is we want to make sure that it stays in place. And so it will, and that it doesn't work its way loose over time. So with that gasketing tape, if you ever need to, it's easy to replace. We can give you the material, and it's very low cost and easy to do. If you need to lengthen this, I'm going to make it so that you can buy extra sections, and then if you need to reduce the length, then it's easy. You can just pull it right apart and take a section out or two to get the length that you want. This is what one of the sections looks like with the sealing tape on it, and they just basically snap together. And same with the end here, that snaps right on as well. And it just takes a few minutes to set up. It's really easy, especially if you have work pieces that are changing in size and shape and you just have to make adjustments. This is a great piece for laser engraving and any other type of place where you need to exhaust fumes out. Thanks so much, guys.